Guys, today I am upgrading speakers in my truck from these little guys. I had these Sonys, they didn't last that long. Here's the speaker. It's a 45 watt three-way speaker. So something's wrong with the mids when it's, oh, but you can actually hear there's scratching. That's weird. But in any case, when it's cold, when it's extremely cold, these speakers can't play mid sounds. You can still, the tweeter are working, it's working fine, everything's working, but the mids are distorting like crazy. I don't know if it's dirt or something, dust or maybe the coil's burnt, but I'm replacing them. My head unit is 55 watts per channel, I think, and well, these speakers were 45 watt RMS 260 watt speakers, so yeah, rated power 40 watt. Shame. So I might have overpowered them with the head unit. Could be. I don't know. This is what I had in, so now I am upgrading to the Pioneers. These Sonys were, I love the sound of the Sonys. They were very good. They've got a nice high pitch, well, clear high sound quality. Let me just put that box there. And this is the box which we are here for. This is the Pioneer TS-A1680F. These are four-way speakers. So no more three ways, only four ways now. They are a lot stronger. I think they double the power of the Sonys. So if my phone can hopefully show this, there we go. 80 watt RMS, 350 watt peak power or maximum power. So yeah, let's get them out of the box and see how they look. It's extremely cold here by us, so sorry for if I'm shaking a bit. It comes with this little screws and normal stuff. These, whatever you can use them for. I know one of my previous videos said you can use them to jump start your car, but I don't think you can. Then we've got okay, two speakers neatly packaged. What else is on the box? They just say you can scan these to, I think this is to see how the spacers work. Car fitting list. Yeah, I think that's in connection with the spacers, or if they can fit in your car. You can see there it shows the speaker. It's got a spacer, screws and speaker in the box, and we'll have a look at that now. So let's try and take off this styrofoam polystyrene thing. Okay, there we go. Those are the Pioneers. So they are double the RMS of the Sonys, still 6.5 inch. There's the little spacer which you get with. I've already got spacers in my truck, so these won't be necessary, but yeah, so it clips into most cars and then it just fastens with screws. Then we've got a little mesh. You can use this or not. I'm not going to use this because this is going to be put behind my doors panels, so I won't be seeing the speakers, unfortunately. But yeah, this actually does look nice. It's a very tidy little looking speaker. I don't like these big gaps which they put in these days, because I mean you can damage the speaker if you just put something next to it. But in any case, that's the new style. We can't just get rid of all this dust and polystyrene. Okay, so there's your 4-way. 2 tweeters or something, and a mid and a, yeah, actually just a lot of tweeters and speakers all in one. Big magnet. I can compare it to the little Sonys. Size wise, I think the magnets are almost the same size, but if you look at from the side, this one is much thicker, so it's got a longer travel on the driver or whatever that thing is, on the coil. But yeah, that's how they look. I think I would say this looks a bit sturdier. The Pioneers looks a bit sturdier than the Sonys. I loved this, the X look, but yeah, that's just a Sony thing. So this one, when I move it up and down, there's no noise, no scratchy sounds, and that's definitely gonna fix my problem. I am gonna try and maybe do a comparison, maybe move the sound left and right. I'll first install this one, then keep the other Sony on the other side of the truck, and then move the sound left and right, and maybe on this mic you can hear the difference between the two. Hopefully the speaker is not giving too much of a scratchy noise sound, whatever, in the truck. So the old speakers, which I'm replacing. So maybe you can hear the difference, and let's see what, if I can do that, I will do it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. That's the Pioneers, all nicely packaged. Okay, now what I'm gonna attempt to do is just play a song, move it from right to left. Right is the Pioneer, that'll be up first, and then left will be the older Sony. The volume will stay the same. I'm just gonna go left and right.